If you've ever opened Microsoft Word, hit print, and then wondered why your page still has white borders around the edges, this video is going to help. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print full page in MS Word so you can get the maximum printable area on your document. This is especially useful for flyers, worksheets, labels, handouts, and any document where you want your content to use as much of the page as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once it's open, look at the top menu and click the Layout tab. The Layout tab is where you control how your page is set up before printing, including margins, orientation, and size. To print full page, the most important setting is the margins. Click Margins, then choose Custom Margins. This opens the page setup window where you can manually adjust the spacing around your document. Here, set the top margin to 0, the bottom margin to 0, the left margin to 0, and the right margin to 0. This reduces the blank space around your content and gives you the largest possible printable area in Word. After entering the values, click OK to apply the changes. Now, before you print, take a moment to check your page. Depending on your printer, you may still need to make sure your content fits properly on the page. If your text or image is too close to the edge, Word or your printer may still shift the layout slightly, so it's a good idea to preview the document first. Next, go to the File menu and click Print. This takes you to the Print Preview screen, where you can see exactly how your page will look before it comes out of the printer. On this screen, check the preview carefully and make sure the content is filling the page the way you want. If needed, you can also adjust printer settings such as paper size or scaling, depending on your printer model. Once everything looks right, click Print to send the document to your printer, and that's it. You've now learned how to print full page in MS Word by setting the margins to 0 and printing from the print area. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference when you want a cleaner, more professional looking printout. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical Word tips, office tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.